Hi guys, this is Sitelo Kumano from Property Sales Machine. I'd like to say, or before I like to say what I'd like to say, I'd like to firstly apologize for not being able to deliver on my promise. I had promised that I'll give a video a week for a number of weeks in a row, where I'll be sharing strategies on how to buy property if you don't have a payslip, right? Now, I haven't delivered on that, and I sincerely apologize. Life does happen sometimes, but I guess the key is to just, as soon as you get a chance, get back on it and, get things done. Now, most importantly is, in order for me to make up for the fact that I didn't deliver, I am very happy to now share the ideas and strategies every day for the next coming, I suppose, week or so, right? So instead of doing it every week, I'll be delivering strategies and ideas on how to buy property without a payslip every day. Now, first strategy that I shared was if you've got the money and it's available and it's in cash, on how to go about buying that property in a safe and secured way, right? So strategy number 2 now is, if you run your own company or run your own business and you earn an income, and the income is sufficient for you to be able to afford the repayments in a property, but you just don't have a pay slip and the banks are not prepared to give you a home loan because of that. Look, strategy number 2 is print your own pay slip. There's nothing illegal about that. There's nothing improper or dodge or anything. So what you do is you get yourself an accountant, right? Your accountant will come through, look through your financials and just produce your pay slips every month. Of course, guys, needless to say, the business must be able to afford the salary that you want to pay yourself. And you must be able to then pay yourself that salary for at least 3 months or more in order to create the track record that the banks will need, right? So for argument's sake, let's say you're trying to buy a property for R1 million, right? And in wanting to buy that property for R1 million, you might need, say, for argument's sake, once again, say 30,000, depending on the interest rates that the banks will give you. Let's just say, to be safe, 33,000 rands. Will certainly, if you have good credit score and we are not over indebted, that would certainly put you in a position where you can buy a property for R1 million based on today in 2021's interest rates, right? So anyways, as it stands, you would then pay yourself 33,000 rands. Obviously, do the deductions. Pay your pay as you earn. You gotta pay the taxman. Do the UIF. Do any other deduction that your accountant would advise you to go ahead and do. By the way, guys, this is not legal or financial advice, right? So do consult your respective financial advisors for proper financial advice. I'm just sharing ideas that I've seen work for myself and for clients of mine, where they needed to buy a property and they were able to generate their own pay slips from their own companies and then were able to then purchase property. So by the way, obviously, guys, if you are going to be earning a salary from your company, that means that the income that you generate in your business must be paid firstly into your company, so that your company can then afford to pay you a salary, right? Look, I hope that makes sense. I'll be sharing more ideas, tricks and strategies on how to buy property without a payslip. Keep your eyes on this channel, because we'll be sharing more ideas like this. So please do like us. We are all over. We are all over the place. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. But anyways, whatever platform you are watching, like, share, ask more questions, comment, share your experiences. Have you done it before? Was it successful? Have you maybe never tried it? And do you have any concerns about what would happen if you tried? Let me share one concern that some people might have: the cost. Some people might think, okay, look, I want to do this, but I'm just worried that it might be too expensive to hire an accountant. Look, guys, let me tell you now, it is not expensive at all right, to get a decent accountant that would be able to help you with the financials. Look, obviously, depending on the salary you'll be earning and the complexity of your business and the size of your team, etc., the prices will vary. But I know for a fact that you can get an accountant that can run your payroll per month for less than 1,000 rands, right? Maybe 500, 1,000 rands or something like this. They can probably run your payroll on your own, because you just need this for at least 3 months or more. But also, guys, it will probably help you over and above just being able to qualify for a home loan. It will probably help you have your business more structured and do your budgeting a little bit more better and all of that. Because one of the bigger mistakes that I see a lot of self-employed individuals do is we don't have a separate bank account for the business and your own private personal bank account. You just normally take money from the business and you spend it as and when, and that causes a lot of confusion, which then causes the banks not to know what belongs to you and not to the business, and what you earn a month and all of that. So guys, I hope this helps. Once again, any questions, we are more than happy to assist. So yeah, have yourselves a wonderful day. We'll be sharing more strategies. Keep well.